shampoo bottle. Here we go. So as for this square shampoo bottles, we have it in different sizes. Okay, so it comes in square shape. Compared with the round shampoo bottles of the same size, square bottles can save shelf. Again, square bottles can save shelf and counter space. So it's a space saving feature. It also has standard neck finish, which can be fitted with multi-lotion pumps, disc caps, spray caps, and more. So again, it has a standard neck finish, which can be fitted with multi-lotion pumps, disc caps, spray caps, and more. So let me show you. Let me give you a closer look. So we have here item number. So we have here item number 3. We have these square shampoo bottles, and here is a closer look. Take a look at this one. So they do have standard cap, and we do have, there you go. So we do have standard cap for this one. And we do have different types of caps. So we have here, this one is for lotion. Okay, so there. This one is for lotion. And then we have another one. We have here spray. Okay. All right. And then we also have here, we have here this color purple one. It looks so nice. Okay, so this is a sample. It's a sample that we've created from one of our customers. It's very beautiful, right? So yeah, we can actually put your logo, we can put your design here on the packaging, and then another one. And there. So all of these square shampoo bottles have standard neck cap. So there. All right, so that's how it looks. So this is for our item number 3.